Hi everyone, now Monday and Georgi asked me to help move him to another apartment. I will ask Georgi what happened, why reason, because his apartment already good and not cheap apartment. You already watched video before and now I will ask why again move. I already many times move him from one apartment to another, from Angeles to Mabalacat and come back. That's why I will ask now again. Now I will drive to through Walking Street. I will show now road. This is back side of Walking Street. Empty, of course, now. Empty. But in the Phyllis bar people sit and eat breakfast. Soya bar open, Ace bar open also, Brown Sugar open, Zeus bar already closed, I don't know, long time. How much dollar now? $56.15. This is already Tiger Hotel, Evrika Club for sale. This is Tiger. It's not expensive hotel, but it's good old hotel. Here you can rent car. This red car for rent also. Also near have already Candy Palace. My friend now in Candy Palace and he said fully booking until December. This is Candy Palace. I don't know where people don't have in the Walking Street, but fully booking until December. Already near Georgi apartment. You see, this is Georgi apartment. This building. Maybe he already moved to first floor. This one. Yeah, Georgi already moved all things in first floor. No, Georgi not reply. I waiting for him. Okay, I will open door. Yeah, where Georgi? I remove all my things from the car. How many times I already removed it? Georgi already see me. Yeah, his Sphinx. Yeah, this. Today very good weather, sunny day in Angeles City. I hope all the day rain, don't have rain. I hope, because sometimes morning is good weather, evening already start rain. Take a look, this is Candy Tower. Also fully booking. Georgi said so noisy morning here because construction worker here. From 7 they say it's so noisy. And he said also karaoke. Here, hi. He said from this building karaoke always in weekend. Where maybe rent karaoke. Georgi room. This is Georgi room. I will ask why he move again. I think maybe 10 times I already move or more. I don't know. I not count already many times. Georgi said he already sold so many his Sphinx. That's why we not need 3 times or 2 times going to move. Only 1 time he said, maybe for 1 time it's enough, because it's all his Sphinx. Only table, his foldable table, and only this. Not so many now. It's good. Not need many times move. Georgi, this apartment is not so far.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Later you explain why you move again, okay? Yes, not so many things already. I will go to Georgi apartment. He already moved, but I will show to you again. Room 11. Georgi check now. Yeah, check all. In CR also check.
Yes, magic.
Okay. Excuse me, so this is already all houses fully booking?
Yeah, by August, sir.
Already from August all rooms
Yeah.
fully booking.
Yes, sir.
How much now price? If for example, if not fully booking, how much now for 1 day? For
For 1 day.
1 day or for 1 month?
For 1 month, depending on the room, sir. We have 25,000,
Mhm.
we have 20,000, and we have 30,000.
This is room, how much?
20, sir.
20 the same price 1 month.
Yeah, 1
Only full booking.
But fully booked.
Until when?
I don't know.
You
sir.
don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm still fully booked, sir.
Okay, because my friend, he said it's very good room, but he want to stay, but you said fully booking already.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
By August, fully booked.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Georgie.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Aline. Yeah. Thank you.
So we going now to the new Georgi apartment. This is turn right Savina Drive. This is Candy Tower 3. And turn again right, Prime Asia. And Georgi new hotel. Hotel name Good Day. I hope Georgi, I hope good day in this hotel for you. I hope. Where park? Where gate for you? No, motorcycle?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome hotel Good Day. This is hotel is very close from church. This is church. I show to you. And my brother who died before, I show to you street where he live nearby. Alex. This one. This is road. And left side have a building. It's Alex, my brother. Before live. So very, very close. I will ask him how much he pay also. Interesting car park for two place. In the Philippines always like this. Always they park how they want. Oh, so many cats. So many cats here. Oh, black. Oh, I have the same. I have the same before. Same black and little bit white. Good. Yeah, many cats. This is lobby of hotel. Good morning, good morning. It's okay, I filming here, no problem.
You need to sign now?
Aircon, CCTV. I will show. Georgi will show now his room. Second floor. Oh, balcony have also. Oh, good. Which floor? I don't know which floor. Ah, third floor. Same third floor. Georgi said silent. Many people here maybe sleep. What its room is. Also simple room. Georgi, can you explain about why you move? Why you move?
Because
No, can you
fully booked.
fully book? But why? If you already stay, if you already stay 2 months, why fully book if you already stay and pay?
Yes, because all building booked. I think maybe Korean also booked this building.
Ah,
Because in LT Suites I stayed 1 year ago, and from August 1st, 2024, fully booked, and now Hanguk Hotel. And this building also, I think, Korean book.
I think name Hanguk apartment name is already.
No.
Oh, don't have water.
I want to ask to switch on.
Don't have water.
Okay.
Don't have. It's here don't have. Maybe not working. Open. Yeah, have.
What is it?
No way fix, don't worry. Small refrigerator.
It's
Georgi, how much this hotel price now?
now I pay 12,000 per month.
12,000 per month, and because discount. You said 17 before price.
Yes, but because rainy season.
Rainy season. Georgi busy. He said before, he asked about price, and we said 17,000 peso monthly. But he go to where
I go.
Georgi. And now price he said cheaper because rainy season until maybe September. Okay, Georgi busy. Okay, let's go. Georgi busy right now. I cannot talk with him. But you already know price now only for because of rainy season. If don't have rainy season, it's price already high. 17,000 for his small room. But it's a very old hotel. And he said he will stay also temporary. He will find another place. So I think it's not last time I move him. That's why he will find a better apartment or cheaper, I don't know. So during summertime he will find, because I cannot move him every time. I also need to go to China, Hong Kong. These 2 months I am very busy. When I go to the Philippines, only maybe weekend only. 2-3 days in the Philippines and come back to China. That's why I am. And also August, also very busy. I need also go to Russia also, and I want to visit my mother, and I some have deals in Russia. So many cats. I like this one black. Same my cat before. But I want to buy cat good quality, not street cat. Street cat I don't want to take to my home. You already... Okay.
Они собрались помочь.
Okay.
So it's open.
Hotel staff want to help to Georgi. And very close to Ambassador also. Ambassador is next building. We finished already move Georgi, and I asked him again what happened, why he want to move, and already start rain. You see, start rain. Before it's good sunny day, but already rain. Georgi. Many people asking you why you always move many times. Why?
Okay. Before I always move because wherever I live, everywhere, I feel not good. I feel strong smell, so and headache. But now, when I stay in Joseph Condotel, I start correct treatment and I start feel better. But they tell me they fully booked from August 1st and I forced to move. I don't want to move, but I was forced.
So you like this apartment before?
Yes, I was going to stay more, but I have no choice because I think someone rent out the whole building and I cannot stay anymore. They tell me August 1st finish. So that's why I transferred to this place So and now I'm going to stay minimum 2 months, maybe more. I don't know yet. So I will stay and understand how I feel and how is it.
You see so many cats.
Yes.
Foreigner give food to cats. That is, I think, is Korean guy also. But so many Korean people right now, not so many Western people, many tourists from Korea. Because from Korea only $150 two-way. Easy to move, easy to travel to Philippines. Of course, but from Europe or from America, so expensive. So, Georgi, you want to go to the billiard now? Where are you billiard?
Yes, it's Blue Boar Inn. It's near,
Right now you won't go?
Yes.
Okay, if rain, I can send you to a billiard place. Because
Yes.
heavy rain. Okay, prepare and
I
I...
just change.
Yes,
clothes.
just change.
Wet.
Yeah, change clothes, I will wait you and help you to go to the...
Yes, maybe 10
billiard.
minutes.
Okay, I will wait, no problem. Yeah, heavy rain now. Yeah, cats waiting. Big rain. So I will help to Georgi because heavy rain, how he go. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Maybe you understand why he move always. Maybe 10 times or maybe 12 times. I already don't know. I not count how many times he move. So it's not last. Thank you for watching.